How to add a banner to your Etsy shop. Hi guys! So the first thing we need to do to add a banner to our Etsy shop is to make sure you're in your Etsy shop homepage, which looks like this. So now you can see an edit shop button in here. So you just kindly click that. After that, the page will lead you to this one, which means we can now edit on how our Etsy shop would look like. So to add a banner, there is this here located in the top. So click that, and then you have the options to choose your banner, either big banner, mini banner, or none if you wish to remain on not having a banner. So the recommended banner size is the big banner so that you would have an impression to your shoppers out there. So this is the one that is most recommended for Etsy shoppers because this will leave an impression. So if you're okay with it, click done. So the next thing you're gonna do is to add an image. So this is what you're going to see after clicking done on your banner style. So to upload, you just click add an image and then locate your banner file. So here, this is my file. Select that and then click open. So now it's loading. So here it is, the banner. So if you have uploaded a wrong image or you wish to change, you can just kindly click this delete button above. But if you're ready, you can just click save. So now you have click save. So this is now inputted in your shop. You can view this. So view shop, and then here it is. There is your banner. Here is our Etsy shop banner. So that's about it guys on how to add banners to your Etsy shop.